Hello, room service.
Good morning, the service. Please be reliable as today. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to place an order for breakfast, please.
Absolutely. May I take your name and room number for the location?
Yes, this is Janice Magna in room 305.
Thank you, John H. Magda. Have you had a chance to look at our Casino? We are offering a variety of options. From convenience, local, American breakfast.
Yes, I've been looking it over. I think like eggs Benedict with a side of breakfast sausage.
Excellent choice. Would you like your eggs poached or scrambled?
Poach, please. Can I could get a Hollandaise sauce on the side?
Of course. Anything else to drink this morning? We have a selection of juice, coffee, and tea.
I have a mimosa, please.
Great choice again. To confirm, the order is for the egg benedict with poached egg, Hollandaise sauce on the side, breakfast sausage, and mimosa. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Wonderful. Your estimated delivery time will be 25 minutes. Would you like me to wait you the call if you prefer to sleep in a bit?
No, that's alright. I'll be waiting.
Certainly. The total will be 1,000 pesos, which can be changed to your room or settled upon delivery.
I'll pay when it's arrived. Thanks.
My pleasure. John is Magda. You're welcome to enjoy the beautiful views from your window while you wait. Have a wonderful breakfast.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, room service. I am JB, your room service attendant for today. Can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
Will you please, sir? Can I have your signature?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy.